today is day 7 and we are finally cutting the hole in the roof and putting max air fan if it will not start raining.
Tip number 1, before putting your wooden frame, unscrew these screws, because after you're gonna glue it, you'll be not able to remove them. Making our first hole in the roof is super stressful.
I'm checking from the top.
The first hole successful by the first look, of course. But it's so many metal particles, so we have to use the magnet and
Collect them all.
yeah, it's more stress than it's difficult. But to cut a hole in your new van, it's kind of big deal, you know. Now we're cleaning the metal dust from the roof and then starting to don't forget to use some kind of plastic thing underneath it to catch all the metal particles. Now we're gonna use primer, glue the wooden frame, and then screw the fan.
I'm using power cleaner to take all the fat
Oils.
which might be on the roof, to clean it so we can put the primer so it can stick better.
First failed attempt. It started to get late and all the wet air started to condensate on the car, so we decided to stop putting the Maxxfan because it's better to do it when it's dry air and all the materials are sticking to the metal. So keep in mind that if you are not rushing to do the thing, it takes about 1 day if you want to do it properly with the primers, etc.
you can choose the plastic adapter or butyl or mastic tape. Depends from your budget and what you can find in your country.
Yeah, so we choose this butyl tape. It worked perfectly to make an even surface. This ain't look like much, but we were working here for one day just to make it perfectly flat.
Day 8 ended and officially we have Max air fan on our roof, and now we are just waiting for the rain to check if it's going to leak or not.
Yeah, next time we are putting the midi-hacky roof light.